the second drill, which I like to use, up the cushion with power. Remember, guys, I showed you first drill for the cueing. So I like to use with power. I put the cue ball right there. Slight angle. So it's awkward bridging up the cushion. And I play with full backswing and power. Stay still. I'm focusing on my cue action tempo. And also I focus on keeping myself totally still. So you can play to the middle pocket, you can play to the corner pocket, doesn't matter. I'm gonna play even more power. Slightly bent arm for stability. You see? So this time I missed the shot because I moved. I played a little bit too quick, and that's why I missed to the left. So now I'm just gonna learn from my mistake. And totally different result. So you can play black of the spot, same shot, any kind you like, and play with power. So what I did, I made my backswing longer, I had a little bit longer pause, more backswing, and stay still during the shot. So since I know what it takes to pot this ball properly, I'm just gonna try to repeat as much as I can. And if I can get 4 of the 5 attempts, then I do really difficult challenge. I place the cue ball there, I play full power, and I just focus on technique, nothing else. Same thing. And if I get them like 5, it could be like 10 attempts, it could be 6 attempts, depending on how I feel. I change the sides. And yeah, and also the last exercise to challenge myself, I play shots with side spin. So I just set a little bit longer distance, and let's say I want to make position for the blue. So I'm using 2 cushions. I play 2 cushions position for the blue. Touch over right hand side, top spin. Oh yeah. I will repeat. I didn't got the position. Really challenging drill for me. Now let's get it. Perfect. So yeah, if you want to work on screwback, it's okay. I just put the red ball right there, and I just have to make sure that I keep the cue ball just above the blue ball spot. So I just play in such a way, with such a cue action, so I could get a nice speed on the cue ball. Play it nice speed. And I can play from various difficulties. I can place another ball closer to the pocket. My main task is to keep myself still, use a proper cue action, and get the position. A little bit tight hands. That's why I didn't get a position. So next time I just will try to time the ball a bit better. So I felt like I hit it a little bit too short. I didn't follow through properly, so. And this time I hit it the same power, but since I follow through better, I got a nice position. So those are my favorite drills to work on technique. You can apply by yourself and see how it will go.